Hello food lovers, I'm Adnana and today we are making pain au chocolat. These are homemade croissants wrapped around melting sticks of dark chocolate. Simply delicious. Start by adding in a bowl 250 ml milk and combine it with 50 grams granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon dry yeast. Let it rest for about 2 minutes until the yeast is activated. Add 400 grams of flour in 2 or 3 batches. After the first batch, add 10 grams of room temperature unsalted butter, season with salt, and continue kneading the dough until formed. In case it's too sticky, you can add more flour. Place it on a slightly floured bowl, cover with plastic wrap, and let it rise at room temperature until doubled in size for about 1 hour. Next, remove the dough from the bowl and transfer it on a well-floured surface. Punch it down and then form a dough ball. Using a rolling pin, mark it into 4 quarters. Roll each quarter well and then add 150 grams unsalted butter in the center. Using your fingers, press the butter and then fold the dough like an envelope. Please make sure the butter is completely wrapped in. Sprinkle some flour on top, roll it again and fold it. Cover with plastic wrap and transfer it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Remove it from the fridge and transfer the dough on a well-floured surface. Sprinkle some flour on top and start rolling the dough into a rectangle. Use more flour in case the dough is too sticky. Cut it in half, lengthwise, and then each half in small rectangles. Add the chocolate bars on top before cutting each small rectangle in order to have the same size of the chocolate bar. Roll each pain au chocolat. Then, we will transfer them on a prepared baking pan lined with parchment paper, cover with a kitchen towel and let it rise for 30 to 40 minutes. Using a fork, beat 1 egg and brush each croissant with it. This will give them a wonderful color. Preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Bake them for 20 minutes. Look at them! Can't wait to try 1 or 2 because I cannot stop at 1. Transfer them on a cooling rack and let them cool a little bit before serving. Simply delicious. I hope you'll give them a try because they are better than store-bought version. Till next time, eat healthy and enjoy food.